Today we're doing chicken salad sandwiches. So let's get started. So for our chicken salad sandwiches, we are going to need about 5 pounds of chicken breasts, about 6 celery stalks minced, some chicken bouillon cubes, and some mayo and poultry seasoning. So what we need to do now is we need to get some water boiling because we need to boil our chicken breast. So we'll be right back. So our water's boiling and we've added 3 bouillon cubes. So now we are going to add in our chicken breasts. And remember, anytime you're working with raw meat, you need to make sure and wash your hands after. So I'm using some split chicken breasts that I had handy and some thinly cut chicken breasts which were previously seasoned. So I'll just add a little bit of extra flavor to the chicken salad. So we're going to let this boil till done and we'll be back in a little bit. Our chicken has been boiling for about 30 minutes and it is done. So we are going to take this out. I'm going to turn off the stove. Ouch. Alright, so we are going to set the chicken to the side till it cools down. And once it's cooled down, we'll get to placing it in the food processor and chopping it up so we can make our sandwiches. So we'll be back in a little bit. Alright, so our chicken is cooled down. We're going to take it and break it up and put it in the food processor. And we're probably going to have to do this in a batch or two because of how much we have. So do a quick little rough break. That'll do. And we're going to just Alright, perfect. So that's pretty much the consistency we want to get our chicken to. So now we're going to place this in a bowl. And we're going to move on to the next batch. So let me get this all shredded up and we'll be right back. Alright, so our chicken is all shredded up. And we are going to add in roughly about 2 cups of mayo. Mix that in. This out of here. Alright, now we're going to add in our celery. Then we're going to get a little bit of the stock roughly about 1 ladle for now to start. Then we are going to add in 1 tablespoon of poultry seasoning. Let me get a little bit sturdier. And we're going to add in 1 more ladle of broth. All right, now we're going to give this a taste. See if it needs anything. A little bit more poultry seasoning. That should do it. All right, so now we're going to plate up and we're going to make us a sandwich. So be right back. So we're plated up and ready to eat. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. New videos are posted every Tuesday. And until next time, enjoy.